How to fix request limit exceeded in 1xbet. If you're facing this issue, that means you have requested to bet on a team multiple times, and due to some slow Wi-Fi, it's causing this error. So I will suggest you to connect to a speed Wi-Fi and your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, just log out from your account and try to log in again. It should work. If it still doesn't work, delete your 1xbet app and re-download it again. Sometimes simply doing that fixes the problem. If it's still not fixed, then try to do the same request again after 1 to 2 hours. It should work. Sometimes when we try to process a request multiple times, 1xbet is going to think someone is trying to mess with your account, so they just temporarily ban you for 1 to 2 hours. So try after 1 to 2 hours, it should work. And the last option you have is just go to 1xbet.com, log into your account. Once you're in the website version, you can always scroll all the way down and click on the option customer support to ask for help from the support team to help you fix this issue. Their support team are always quick to answer, so they're going to help you fix it. So that's how we guys can fix request limit exceeded on 1xbet. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.